We'll guide you through how to create a title in Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. After the page loads, create a new spreadsheet or open an existing file that already contains data. Wait until the spreadsheet loads completely so all cells and menus are visible on the screen. Once the worksheet appears, take a moment to observe the layout displayed on the screen. Look at the top rows of the spreadsheet because this is the area where titles are usually placed. Next, decide exactly where you want to place the title for your spreadsheet. In most cases, the title is placed in the first row so it can be easily seen. Click on the first cell in the top row of the spreadsheet. After clicking the cell, make sure the selected cell is active and ready to receive text. When the cell is active, start typing the title of your spreadsheet using your keyboard. Enter the title text clearly and correctly so it accurately represents the content of the sheet. After typing the title, press the Enter key on your keyboard to confirm the text. You will then observe the title appearing in the selected cell. If you need to make changes, click the title cell again so you can edit it. Once the text is selected, move your cursor to the toolbar located above the worksheet. In the toolbar, locate the bold formatting option. Click the bold button to emphasize the title and make it stand out from the rest of the data in the spreadsheet. After applying bold formatting, you can increase the font size by using the font size menu in the toolbar. Choose a larger font size for the title so it becomes more visible when viewing the spreadsheet. If you want a different appearance, you can also change the font style. Open the font list in the toolbar and select another font that you prefer. After changing the style, review the title again to see if it looks better. If the title text appears too long for the cell, adjust the column width so the entire title can be displayed. Drag the column border to resize the column until the text fits properly. Make sure the title is easy to read and not cut off. After finishing the title, you can continue organizing the rest of your spreadsheet data.